Hi everyone. So this project I have made is a cross-platform application with the help of Flutter framework and Firebase authentication and Cloud Firestore. So for the beginner, this project will be a very useful to contribute and to practice on it. You will learn a lot on this project. Because in this project I have used the reusable UI widgets, REST APIs, list view, staggered view, block providers and local storage, Firebase auth and Cloud Store. So this will be a good learning curve if you practice on this project. I will show you a demo of this project to run on the Chrome browser, because for the other platform you will need a platform dependent SDK as well. For the Chrome browser, that is for the web application, you can directly run this project on your Chrome browser. Although documentation is not very good with the Firebase REST API, so if you are working with the Firebase REST API and you have some queries, you can mention in the comments. I will help you to resolve it. Every link and the information is given in the repo on GitHub. The repo also contains some sample executable files for the Windows and Mac OS. For the Android application, you can visit the Play Store, links given in the description. And for the REST platform, you can directly run and build this project on that particular platform after installing the platform dependent tools. So before you begin, make sure you like this video and subscribe the YouTube channel. Also, you can visit Nawoki.com and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest developer updates and tutorials. So after you have cloned the repo or downloaded a zip file from the repo, open this project. Here I am using IntelliJ IDEA for the Flutter work. You can use Android Studio and VS Code also. So after opening the project, the first thing you have to do is create your Firebase project and mention the API key here. Only then all the authentication and database transaction will work on your particular Firebase project. Now let's run this app on the Flutter web. So after installing the SDK, we have to enable the configuration on each platform. For other platform, you can visit the link below. For the web part, I am going to show a demo here. So enable the configuration for web. Now to run this project on the Chrome, type flutter run -d device and Chrome as an output device. The application will be launched on the localhost platform. So within the project, the lib folder for the Flutter work and the web folder for the Flutter work is used. Rest folders are for other platforms. Now here create an account. And there is your app ready for use. Now you can modify this project as you like it. You can add colors, animations, more features regarding this Note app, or you can make something of your own on this project and it will run on all the platforms. Thank you for watching.